Thank you for okay, thank you. So, okay, hi guys. My name is Adaptive Edge. So, in today's training, I'm going to teach you about AI agent and faceless video creation. So, guys, are you ready? So, I'm going to share you my screen right now, so you can see you can see what we are going to attend today. In today's training, we are going to talk about introduction to AI automation and agents, and also faceless video creation. So this helped a lot of people to grow in the AI space. So, so this help people. So now I'm going to introduce you to AI automation, AI agent, and faceless video. So in our today's training, that is what we are going to work on. So what is AI automation? What is this automation about? And what we mean by the word automation? The word automation is something that can happen on its own, or you have already scheduled the thing that you have already scheduled that in this so amount of time. So it will be automated. Let me just give you a typical example to it. It's like an MTN message. MTN has already, when the time they schedule it, at the same time they schedule it to drop to you. So we are talking about automation and AI automation. This AI automation thing help a lot, help brand like website owner and other people that own their business online. This help in aspects like virtual assistants, helping them reply to email, helping them book a meeting, even book a call with a customer. So this AI online. So this help a lot in that aspect. So the word automation, that's a brief explanation about the word automation. So this help business owner speed their business, scale their business, and more productive. This boost and output effort. So it help business owner grow faster. So and also, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Okay,
yes, perfectly.
Okay, this help business owner grow a lot. So let me explain. So this AI agent, so this help a business owner. So you can also offer it as a service to people, like they can pay you for it to help them build an AI agent, help them build an AI call assistant, so that can help them call on their behalf, even when they are not online. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No. So let this training be an interactive training. So don't let it silent like graveyard. So let's just be an interactive with each other. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Okay.
We can hear you. It's because of holdback.
Okay. So let's make it an interactive training so we can learn together. So this unlock income potential, like how it help you as an individual. So as a freelancing, you can offer this as a service to other people. to business owner on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and other freelancing platforms like that. This help you offer a specialist AI service to clients worldwide, around the world. So high value service. So you can deliver more exceptional results with this AI agent and also faceless video. So you can help a brand create a video ads. So they will just reach out to you. I'm looking for someone who can help me create video for my brand. They will just give you a brief about their brand and you will use AI to get the work done. You can sign up to freelancing platform like that so you can understand more better. So the second step, why AI automation is highly profitable. This so in this the high effort demand scalable of solution to all business owner, like even if the business owner were not online, in order to respond to their message, the AI will automatically handle the message professionally. Since you have told the AI, this is the task I want you to perform. If it's AI call agent, it can also help them like picking a call, booking a call with the customer so they can understand more better. So the AI will introduce your brand to them so they can understand more better, automatically task. So this help them, like you have already scheduled the message you want to send to the store owner. So automatically the message will be sent to them. The AI will help you in replying a message and other things like that. So we are now moving to your pitch. This training works. How this training works. So let's put it in that way. So we focus. So learn. So learn by doing hand-to-hand real-world projects. So this help you a lot. I have mentioned it previously. You can also offer this as a service on freelancing platform. So I don't need to explain this. I have already explained it at the beginning. So understanding AI agents. So let's move to that aspect. So imagine digital assets that perform complex tasks for you automatically. That is an AI agent. So this AI agent of a team, it can help you perform a task like I already explained through an automated workflow. This is the chart how the AI agent works. So this AI agent with workflows like connecting an API key to each platform. So with their API key, so this AI can perform a task for you, like automated workflow, like help you reply to your email, to your Facebook, to your WhatsApp on other platforms that you connect to it. Digital assets, thinking of them as your personal, as your personal, as your personal. So high effort digital workforce, like they can help you work even when you are not online. So even when you are not online, they can also help you in tasks like replying your email, as I was saying in my previous explanation. So helping you in reply an email message, WhatsApp message, and other message like that. Intelligent making. So they analyze data and make choice based on the program Lego. So this is what I mean. They will analyze your data. So you will need to explain more to the AI so it can understand more better about your business. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We are
So,
with you.
so the AI analyze
Yes,
your
we can hear
stuff.
you.
So far you have explained to the AI about your business already. So the AI will analyze and reply accordingly. So it's not like just ordinary chatbots. Like you can ask him any question and he will reply. No, it doesn't work that way. This AI will analyze your business. The question that doesn't go with your business, you will not reply the message. So only the message is for your business. So far, you have already prompted him that this is what I do, this is what I offer. I'm an agency service. I'm working as a laundry, I'm working as a therapist, another service like that. Even if it's an e-commerce base, like you are selling some, so it can also help you in upselling them. Like what I mean by upselling is you purchase a shoe, and when you want to check out, the AI will now tell them that we are also selling a socks. So you know that if you purchase a shoe, you will also need a socks, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So the AI will upsell them that we are also selling a socks. Even if you want a knicker, we are also selling a belt. So that dress will complete and they will purchase to you. So you will get a lot of money with that. So work for you. Once you set up agents, can open 247, work on your behalf. So this AI will work on your behalf, as I was saying in my previous explanation, so that it can run 247 even when you are not online, even when your phone switch off or your system switch off. It can help you. It can also handle a lot of customers, like chatting with hundreds of customers. So there is nothing like you ignore my message, it doesn't reply my message, this band is so stupid. No, the AI will reply to all the message at once. So without you lifting a finger. So let's move to the next step, building an AI agent with. So this AI agent I am explaining to you, this platform we used to build it. We call it NA10. It was just like no coding tools. It, so you don't need to know how to code. It's not more complex like that. With just your own simple prompt, you can build your own agent with multiple workflow. So this anything power platform that allow to connect app and service to build your own AI agent without writing a single line of code. So in this era, you don't need to know how to, you can do it as a beginner. So you don't need to know how to code or anything. No, you can just do it. You just need the knowledge, like how to prompt, how to connect service together, and I will explain that as we are moving forward to that in our practical session. So these are just an illustration and introduction on how this work. So can you hear me? Okay. So can you hear me, please? Let's make it an interactive training we
Yes.
can we can learn with each other. So if you have a question, you can just write it. After I done with this message, you can just ask me a question. So I will glad to reply. Okay. So this okay, so this no coding platform, you can connect a service together. So you can see it connecting thousands of apps for social media to database, solve complex problem, automated data transfer, content generation and notification and more. So this help you a lot. Like you can connect multiple apps together. Like you can connect this platform to many database like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, Gemini, and other AI platforms to social media like TikTok, email, and other social media platforms like that. So far, I have already explained that it can help you reply a message. This is how it works. So you will have to connect the social media together. Like you can connect it to all your social media platform, like getting an API key for it from that platform. This help connect to the service. What I mean by API key is that how can I put it? It's like you walk into it's like you walk into a restaurant and they give you a menu. So you will just tell them, maybe I want rice and turkey. So you will not be the one to cook it, right? And you will not be the one to go to the kitchen and cook it and deliver it to you, right? So you will just pick the food that you want. This is the type of food that I want, and they will go and cook it, bring it to you, right? Can you hear me? So that is typical example on how it works. So by connecting this, it will get access to your social media and help you reply. Even though if you are a job hunting, like you like normally hunt for job on LinkedIn, on other platform like that, you can also build an AI agent that will help you in that outreach. If the AI saw someone that posts, immediately the AI will reach out to the brand, like, and also help something like on your behalf. Even if you are asleep, it will help you submit your proposal to them, like we call it resume on LinkedIn. So it will help you in submitting your resume on LinkedIn. So that is how example, that is just small, and that is just example on how the AI works. So accessibility to all. So this empower beginning to create an advanced automation. So this help you as a beginner, even though if you don't know how this AI platform work. So it's so easy that you can build it with just a simple prompt, and also know you need to have a knowledge on how to connect app together. So I will explain that in our practical class. So let's move to other step. So the art of prompt guide AI. So I have explained to you before, but in chatting with AI, so you need to know how to prompt as a professional, as an AI specialist, right? You need to know how to prompt, and know how to prompt in details, so the AI can be understand. So far, the AI is not a human, so you need a personalized prompt to chat with the AI to give you a good output. So I will explain it. So this prompt is just an it's just a word that you can use to have and interact with the AI. So it can explain. So you can explain to him, this is what I want, and the AI will give you. Just an example, you ask ChatGPT, help me, give me a description about this so product. So the ChatGPT will now use your own prompt to guide and give you the details description about what you are looking for, right? Can you hear me? Hello? So,
Yes, you
hello.
can hear you.
Yes, we can.
I have said it before, let's
That-
make this an interactive training so we can learn together. I can also learn from you. Okay? So, okay. A clear, well detailed prompt for getting process. So, this prompt, AI model follow your spy with weights into it, like, and this AI will work into your prompt, like organize your prompt to guide the AI effectively. Complex tasks, like what you want the AI to do. So the prompt is the most important thing you need to know when building your own AI agent. So the AI can understand more about your business. That is how you will explain to the AI, this is what we offer. Can you hear me? So this is what we offer. So make it clear. So you will learn how to prompt in this training as well. So when we reach our practical stage. So I'm just briefing this for you. So this leads to work. If we, in this, we have two types of prompts, and we have details prompts and non-details prompts. These details prompts help AI understand more better what you are telling him, than rather on details prompt. You just tell him, please give me an image of a man. So you will need to explain in details to the AI that this is the type of man we want. If we have point nose, as so. You will explain more better to the AI. So the AI can give you real and accurate image that you want to generate. I use that as an example. So you need to know how to organize the prompt, make it effective. So AI can make your task more effective as well. So let's move to other things. We have type of prompts we can give AI. So this type of prompts help AI to understand more details. This different type of prompts, there is one prompt, we call it JSON prompt. This JSON prompt help the AI more understand the prompt and data output. So this AI, so can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, let me just this example of JSON prompts. So let me just give you an example.
We can't see your screen.
Please, your screen is just too small. If you can enlarge it, please.
Your screen, sir. Your screen, sir.
You see.
So I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm trying to give you some example how the JSON prompt used to look like. So can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, so this the ChatGPT interface. I will just tell him just an example. Give me so you see how I write it. Just so and press enter. So you will see how ChatGPT will write the JSON prompt. So you will see that it will not be the same as normal prompt you used to see. So do you see how the prompt look like right now? So the prompt look like a code, but that is how you see how the AI explained the image for me. So you can see the environment of the image and where the image will locate, like lighting, camera, frame, and style, mood of the image, and quality. So you see, the AI explain more in details how the image will look like. So now let's generate the image and see the outcome. So and don't forget, if you ask a question, just write the question down. After I done with the training, you can just provide me with the question and I will answer all questions and I will be happy with that. So we can learn with each other. So let me just enter. It might take a time, but let's be patient.
Come in. Me, I want to learn. I then go bring this dot.
So while we are waiting for
Oh, okay. We are waiting for ChatGPT to process the JSON prompts you just gave to us.
Okay.
So I want us to just understand this more better. Don't worry. I'm the chief trainer. So he's one of our senior trainer and he's going to be even practical class. All this English is not what we are here to learn. We are here to learn the practical aspect of the course. How are you going to prompt? I said it. Even I was part of those that said this when web design is the order of the day, that if you learn web design, you become rich. There are some times that when you learn what do we call cybersecurity, you are rich. Last year, I always mention it last year that anybody that wants to make money in 2025, 2026 and beyond, you should go and learn prompt engineering. And I'm telling you, prompt engineer are the one making millions, billions in this time around that we have. And apart from being a prompt engineer, we still have some other people that are making money in this 24th century now, making even more than ordinary prompt engineer. What do we call them? We call them the AI agents. And this is one of someone like the Adaptive Edge. Mr. Latif is Adaptive Edge. He's an AI agent. What they do is that you explain your business to them, they will explain it to AI, and they will automate it. they will automate your business. What I'm trying to say is that you say you are selling product online, right? Like someone here is selling shoes, bag, clothes, watch online, and you have your online store. When people come to your store, how do you want them to how do you want the reaction? Do you want to be messaging them, replying their message one by one as they're sending message to you? Let us do Google Drive, Google Traffic now. Google now bring 1,000 customers to your store, and all those 1,000 customers want to chat with you at once. Can you do that? It's impossible. Even if you hire staff, your staff can only do maybe you hire 100 staff. Your 100 staff, they can only attend to one person per time. And the traffic of 1,000 customers come to your store. That is word of AI. You just train your AI with the prompts. The AI will do the rest. AI can answer 10,000 customers at once. And any question below, what you need to do first is to train the AI using this agency and the prompting is trying to, Mr. Adaptive Edge is trying to explain to us, to train the AI about your store. That's all. Even if it is 50,000 customers coming at once, they will be able to attend to them. Let Mr. Latif continue. He has given us sample of prompt, which is we call JSON prompt. You give that prompt and you remove the prompt to create an image. Now let's see what the image is created. See the image now.
So welcome back. Welcome back to this training. So you can see the image the AI generates for us. You can see the image is in details prompt. Like you can't tell me that this image is not an human image. If I told you that it's not AI generated, you can't believe it. Or what do you think about the image? Just an interactive with each other. So what do you think about the image? How does it look?
Image is okay.
Image.
It's okay. Look
Impressive image.
So you can see the JSON prompt explain in details that this is where the event of the image, this is where we want the image to be, the face, the skin, and also the location the image will be. So let's move on to our training. So let's move on back to our training. So so now I hope you can see the screen. Okay. So
Yes. Yes.
so now you have know how the JSON prompt works. So there is something we call ABC prompt. This ABC prompt we explain, like, let me just give you a short explanation about the ABC prompt. This ABC prompts help in building, like, if you want to explain your business to AI, so the AI can understand more better. For output, JSON is more important. Even in platform where we are going to build the AI agent, we are using JSON prompts. In anything, we are using JSON prompts for that. So in this, with this ABC prompt, this we explain more better to the AI. Like, the AI will be more specific about the prompts that you want to write for us. Like, you explain to the AI, like, we are selling shoe for only men, and maybe within age of 30 to 20. So just an example. So the AI will now give you detailed prompts about your business to customer. When customer come, the AI will use ABC prompts to reply them back, like in details what you offer. So this make customer understand more better. As my boss told you, if you run Google Ads and you have more than 100 of customers, this AI help a lot in replying to all the message at once without delaying and without leaving any message to reply. So far you have told him about your business, you have scheduled the message and the AI, and you have connect the app together. The AI will think on its own. You have explained the business to him in details. So you don't need to just the AI will do the rest for you. Like you have connect the app together, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, other AI platform like that, like Google Gemini and other AI platform like that. This AI will make it easier for you without even lifting a finger. Like for example, a FTU website that is selling data. So this update that people are doing now. So you will just message, they will just give you one number to message. If you message the number, immediately you need the data. Just tell the message. It's the work of the AI agent. So just tell him, I want to purchase a data. He will ask you how many gig. So just provide him. He will provide you the payment method. So after the AI provide you the payment method, you make the payment. Tell him, show him the proof that you have made the payment method. The AI will ask of your number. So the AI will move from the WhatsApp and go to the website and purchase the data and send it to your number automatically. That really helps a lot. So this AI will just help you in your business aspects, and also you can also use it for customers. Like you are freelancing, so it can also help you. You can also help people build it and get your money. So if you wish, you can do that. So this just a simple example of how the prompts used to work. So the role prompts, we also have a role prompt. So this role prompt use is most important in AI video generation. So this role prompt is like making a movie. So every actor has his own role to perform in the movie, right? So this AI, this role prompt will make it more understandable in generating AI movie. So let me just give you an example of video I've made with AI. Wait a minute. So why I'm just getting this.
Okay. Mr. Latif is trying to show one of the video that is made using the prompting that he's teaching us. Do you know the reason why this prompting is more effective? If you can prompt, you can do anything and everything. Yes. If you can prompt, you can do anything and everything automatically. You automate anything you can prompt, because one area is talking to chat. Another area is knowing how to talk with it. That one is normal prompting, which prompt engineering do. But AI prompting is different entirely. You want to make the whole movie from beginning to end, and you need a character for each movie. Like all those movies that we know, you have a character for an actor, a character for a boss, a character for a gang leader, a character for different characters. You have to use prompts to create the character. And you just put it in AI the video exactly the way it is. This man was able to make so many videos. See, the reason why I'm calling to this session is not for all this theory section that is showing us. One of the reasons why I call him is practical. I want him to show us exactly how to make his $1,000 for clients. You can just tell the client, don't worry. What do you want to report to your YouTube channel? This is what I want to report to. You get the job, and you using AI to create the type of video. Maybe some funny video, but one thing is that most of the clients have the reach. They have a particular area where they focus on. So you must work with their niche when you are getting the client. You see, Sin has been linking down to Miss Abigail now, virtual assistant. Yes, I told you everything will be linking to virtual assistant. That's why we really need Miss Abigail in this course. Because as you get the job from the client, you can get the whole job. Now, why not get a particular job that you need? Mr. Abigail has faced some of the client like that. These are e-commerce websites. You need a product to be posted, at least 5 products posted every day. You need customer care that will be replying to the message. You need customer care that will be replying to the review. Just review. Another message that will be replying to the order. So Mr. Latif can show you how to just automate it. And instead of this client getting 10,000, 100 customer support system, only you will just create the prompt, and the prompt will do the whole work of 1,200, 500 staff at once, even more effective than those staff. Let Mr. Latif continue with the video he's trying to show us.
Welcome back. So these are some example of video I make. It's just a short, so I doesn't have long form video on my system. So I have it on my phone. So far I have edited it and deleted. So my PC storage has not a lot. My PC does not have a lot of storage, so that's the reason why. So you can see it.
This report is killing me. Come on, just one more paragraph.
Can you see it?
Almost there. I can do this.
Yes. I see.
So
Come on, just one more paragraph.
So that is called role prompt. You see, each character has a own role to perform. It's like you are watching a movie. So you told this actor, this where you will perform. You will be the gang leader, as my boss has already told you about. So this, you will be the gang leader and also something like that. So the role prompts we understand and give you details prompt to generate the movie scene. The movie scene, each scene by scene. So this role prompt help you in movie creation. Like you want to create an AI movie, like you want to create small short movie, like we used to saw it on TikTok, right? So this AI, this role prompting help in that aspect. So in generating a video, you will need a consistent character, right? So it's not like you see a cat on white color, maybe a cat wear a white cloth and it's the main character, like it's the main character. So the other are NPC, like other his friend and other things like that. So they can change, right? So people can change their friend, right? But the main character don't need to change anymore. So the main character. So in generating AI movie, you will need a consistent character. That is where the role prompting comes in. So the role prompting help, like make the character consistent in throughout the all of the movie you are already creating. So this help a lot. So that is one of the video I created for my clients. So that is just a scene on the video, like one scene. So you can charge a lot of money. So there is a lot of people. I normally use Upwork and Fiverr to get my own clients. So this help a lot. So the client might come to me like, I want to start a YouTube channel in this so niche. So how can you help me in posting every day? So you are not the one that will post it. You will just collect the project. You can, based on your communication skill, because communication skill matter most. Like how you chat with the buyer, how you execute the work. Like you can just charge him, like I can help you. Maybe client wants like 100 video. You know that I can charge you maybe $4,000, $5,000 for it. I don't normally work for Nigeria, so that's the reason. So I don't know how to collect it in naira. So but in dollars, so that's work a lot for outside clients. So you will just tell him that I can help you build it. I can help you build it, like help you build a movie or a video about your brand, about a movie or about anything. Like you can just come up with impossible story. Like let me just give you this example. When we are young, we normally imagine some movie like we think that this movie can't exist anymore. So with AI, it's possible. You can just imagine something and tell the AI about your imagination, and the AI will give you details prompt about it. This is where the role prompting comes in. So this AI help you in generating the character. So this character is like an image. It will give you an image and you convert the image into video. So I will explain it more better when in our practical training. So don't worry about that. So if you ask a question, I've already told, so you can just tell me, write the question down. At the end of the training, I can answer. So we can learn with each other. So as we can move on. So we come something change. So chain them together in the sense like you have. So this AI is okay, sorry. The AI to the using step by step for the complex problem. So you've already have the problem from the client, right? So as a freelancing, you are solving problem to get money. So if you want to be a freelancer, you have to be a problem solver. So they will come for you. They will come to you with a problem. So and you will solve the problem for them, and they will pay you for the problem you get solved. So this chain them together and make the AI have more knowledge about what you want to do. It's not like I was just telling somebody, I want to do this, I want to do it, without any direction, without any explanation in details. So we can be more specific with the AI. So an AI will give us accurate results with that. So let me explain this ABC prompting. This ABC prompting, the simple yet power frame your AI understanding excellently. So as I was explaining, this A stands for acting. Like this what I want the AI to do. Like writing a summary, analyze something like that. Analyzing. So this is what I already explained in my previous explanation. So like the AI will more understand, be more specific, like analyze your own business idea. Told him like this is my business. I sell shoe. I sell it to just people that age of 30, 20. So the AI will understand more better. And this B stand for sorry. So this AI help you how the AI perform the art, like in friendly tone, like consistent, like I have already explained before. So this AI explain more better, like in friendly tone, so it can be more accurate and you get better results. This C stand for text box, like this text context, like context mistake. So context, what is in background information about what you are doing, like a post audience, like audience that you want. Maybe I have already explained it, like you are just selling it to like age 30 people, like age 30 to 20 people, maybe like people in 30s and 20s. So they are the only person that can purchase in my site. Maybe you are selling adult tools, like a website that is selling judo and other things like that. So you can be more specific that when an underage comes to the AI will first verify them, like how old are you, in maybe a simple step of verification, so that only adults can understand. So you understand, like explain that this is my own audience. Like example, if you want to write a blog, write a 200 write me a 200 word blog post about an AI automation. So no technical tone for small business. So it has already give you an example about how the ABC prompt will look like. So this just small explanation about it. When we move to our practical aspect, so you can understand more better and practice it with me. So let's move to okay.
Okay. Now, Mr. Latif, show us the little thing on the types of prompts and how the prompt work perfectly. To me, I'm not so okay like that. What I want him to talk more is on exactly how can we get clients. Yes, we've learned prompting. We know in the next 12 weeks we are going to be learning prompting, how to prompt, how to control AI and make AI our own. I've already told you that is what you are going to learn in prompt on the agency. Yes, that is what you're going to learn in AI agency. Then automation video, we're going to learn that. But when we learn all these things and we know all these things, how are we going to get the client and work with clients? What are the kind of money we can charge our clients? How much can we make in a week? How much can we make in a week? How much can we make in a month? How much can we make in a year as a AI agency? You don't understand what I mean? Because this is area where everything, 2026 now, if you learn AI agency, you have already reached. They say they are going to be a millionaire, billionaire in 2026. Those that be a millionaire and billionaire in 2026, they are the AI agents. Someone like Adaptive, Mr. Latif. Even he has a project, maybe you explain some of the project to us, and even I'm going to give some people some team as an intern to work with him in this project. I think you call it Shop Mind. He might explain it when he's talking back now. So he's going to tell us how to source for clients. We know the whole 12 weeks is going to be to learn how to agents. But how can we source for clients? What are the money? I want Mr. Laju to tell us. As an AI agent, I want to start now. How much, when I learn, let me assume I use 2 weeks, 3 weeks to learn how to do video, automation for e-commerce and different things. How much can I make in a week? How much can I make per month? Or is it per hour, like virtual assistants? So I want Mr. Latif to come and explain more better on how to make money. Let's forget about all these slides, all this behavior. We are going to learn it extensively in the 12-week course. But how much can we make in this business since it is new generating business? Mr. Latif, you're welcome back.
So welcome back. So thank you for that. So that's what you give to me to explain to them today. So this is how I used to make money with it. So I'm a freelancer. I have already explained to you. I use Fiverr and Upwork to get clients, but I used to reach out to them, like doing like outreach to the people, like a business owner. Like I will just come up with a message. We call it a strategy, and you can also call it a scouting. So I usually scout to get a client. So in this my scouting, I normally use an Instagram, Facebook, email. So this Facebook and Instagram, I will do an outreach to them, come up with a message. Maybe, hey, I saw this in your business. Like, let me just give you an example of how my outreach template used to look like. So wait a minute, please. Okay.
Okay, we are waiting for the outreach template. Yes, I know Mr. Latif is not going to assist you on only AI and video automation. He's still going to assist us on how to source for clients. Even you learn virtual assistants, how can you source for clients and get jobs done for them? He's going to assist us. He has guidance on sourcing for clients, not clients that will pay $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $8,000 by a single project. He's back now.
So can you see my screen? Yeah. So can you see it? So you can see this is the template. I used to reach out to them as a freelancer. I can reach out to them using their own store or their website, reaching out to them, pitch my idea to them, and if they are interested, they will just tell me how much is your service. So let's move back to our PowerPoint slide. So I will just explain to them. So I will just explain to them, this is how it works. Okay, please wait a minute. I'm so sorry. So this is how I used to get clients. So doing the outreach, I will explain and pitch my service to them. I also have an AI that I'm working on. The name of the AI is called ShopMind. So what this AI will do is like you are shopping when you are scroll on the website like Jumia, Amazon, just an example. So this AI will open a camera like webcam to the customer in customer phone like that. So the AI will open a webcam and just grab the customer attention, like see his behavior while he's shopping, like see his behavior, facial expression or background noise. Like maybe you are talking about power bank and you see this website, I think they are selling power bank, like just an example. And in a minute, the AI will process what you think and pop up to you a power bank. So you feel like, how do this AI know my mind? And you won't know that the AI opened his webcam. So that is what I'm currently working on. So, and that is what I currently work on. So this is how I used to get clients. Doing outreach and also on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and other things like that. There's a time I reach out to a client and just pitch my idea. The client told me, how do this help me? So I have already explained in my previous explanation, like your communication skill matter. So in this communication skill, this will help you understand like how you can approach the buyer. Think like if you are the client, would you pay for this service or not? Can you pay for it or not? So if you can pay for it, you can just consider. So without you thinking anything, you can just move to ChatGPT. There's something we call personalized GBT. So let me explain that to you as well. So as a tips, it's not among the training, but as a tips for you, so you can understand ChatGPT more better. So wait a minute, why I want to share you the screen.
To be sincere with us, there is a lot to learn. A lot to learn. Even this personalized GPT that Mr. Latif is trying to say is another thing entirely that if you know it perfectly, there is nothing you want to do in this 2026 that you cannot do. It's work effective to do anything and any work at any time. So let him explain that personalized GPT.
So welcome back. This personalized GPT help ChatGPT understand what you are doing. Like you see, like me now, I don't sound a lot in my like English that I am speaking to you. So we just manage it like that. I'm just a secondary school student looking for ways to make money online and go back to school, understand more better. So let's just dive into the training. So when you move to the ChatGPT, you can just click where you see my name. You can see my name. I've clicked on it. I'm using free plan. So this open a page. You can see personalized. If you see the personalized, so you can see personalized. So I have already clicked it. You see personalized. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. So you can see the personalized custom introduction app. So this help you. You can see my own personalized. I told the AI what it will help me to do. You can see you are in the God mode. The highest perform AI features on speed, depth, and experience. So you can see the art that when I'm explaining to you, because I'm saying ABC prompt, this is what I mean by ABC prompt. Explain in details what you do to the AI, what you do, and the AI will help you in replying the message accurately. So you can see you can act as my senior prompt engineering AI agent status and faceless video opener. So this help a lot. You can see I told him act as my prompt engineering, AI agents, and faceless video. So you can see, to increase your mission is to increase my income and on Fiverr and Upwork using AI setting, using AI system. So this help a lot. So I have already explained to ChatGPT what I do. So I will message him now so you can see what I mean by personalized. So you have already personalized and customized it. So just tell him your nickname. My own nickname is my business name called Adaptive Edge. So you can see occupation, what do you do? So the AI has already asked you, occupation, what do you do? See what I told him. I told him social media management, e-commerce and other platforms like POD websites, active on Fiverr, and build multiple gig accounts. So I have already explained to him. The AI will now reply according to what I told him that I have done. So Fiverr does not allow you creating multiple accounts, but as a Nigerian, you understand the aspect. So you need to have multiple accounts so you can earn more. So one account, if one account stop making money and the other one will pick up from when the other one stop. When the one you are using to make money stop and the one you leave behind before, and it will start picking up. So that's it. You can make thousands of dollars. I can't just show you the proof, but I can show you my own dashboard. So let me just share you. So I will share you. I will share you my Upwork dashboard that really make money. So I told him use 1 million offers and sell like this. There's one book called 1 million offers. It's good for freelancing if you get it. But start with that first. So it's called 1 million offers. This 1 million offer helps you more effective. Like help you. The reply message, like the message will make the client, if it doesn't reflect back, it can reflect I'm not interested or I'm interested. That's your job. So we can now move about. So this is what I mean. Follow this type of things. So you understand that if you want to write on AI, you just quickly writing and dash to what. So by this, by telling details about it, so the AI will not write it to your word. Avoid so what you don't like in your text, what you like. So the AI will sound more human. So let me just open new chat and you can see what I mean about personalized GPT. You will see the reply of the AI and you will see that it's different from how your AI used to respond. So you can see.
Wow. Can you see what just happened now? What I'm trying to say, the same ChatGPT, what it's trying to say is that the same ChatGPT you are using, that all of us are using to do work, you can personalize it to do it more effectively. To do it more effectively, even than ever. So try to show you where to set the personalized settings. After setting the personalized settings, then ChatGPT can understand the kind of work you are doing, the kind of person you are, and the kind of response. You just say hello to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT say hello, Adaptive Edge, straight to work. What are you trying to close right now? A Fiverr reply, a new gig idea, a proposal for Upwork, or fix a week offer. Can you see? Based on how you set the ChatGPT, if you set your ChatGPT that you are selling shoes and cars, or you set your ChatGPT that you are selling data, you are selling BTU, that this your name, you are selling BTU, you personalize your ChatGPT. ChatGPT will focus on literally when the response on any question you are asking him. If you focus on what you are doing, what you train him to do. AI agency prompt engineering is one of the most course that even everything you are doing. And this is a free plan, no, not paper, please, because I know that's some of the questions you'll be asking as an engineer. This is a free plan, no, ChatGPT free plan, the way you are using it, that free one that is on your phone or your PC. So most of us know ChatGPT, most of us know Gemini, but you don't know that there are a lot of things you can do. There are a lot of personalized things you can use it to do. But you can only learn all these in AI again. That is some of the things that Mr. Latif is going to be showing us in the next 12 weeks. I don't want him to stress himself too much because even I call him from a particular meeting to join us here and make sure he attend the training so that you can see his face and know who is going to show you how you use ChatGPT, Gemini, and some other AI tools, not only ChatGPT. This agency, there are some software that will use this agency from beginning to end. Let me tell you one story. Let me tell you one story that will shock you. There was a particular time that a client approached me. It's not 4 years ago, a US client. One of the things this client have that I have with the client is that the client is US citizen, though. Is US citizen. She is US citizen, but she can only speak English. She cannot write. And for someone like me, that I'm in Nigeria, thank God she met the right person. I understand different accents when it comes to English, US accent, British accent, Spanish accent, any English accent, I understand it. So either you are speaking core US, basic US, or street US, Uganda, you wanna, I understand it. This lady now approached me. She wants to do a store. I say store. I said, what is your budget? You know what the lady told me? The lady told me our budget is $25. I say, which kind of online store do you want to do with $25? 4 years ago, yes. Immediately, after COVID, 1 year after COVID. Because during that COVID, that many people are shouting, this is hard. I make tons of dollars during the COVID, even after the COVID. So this lady now approached me. She now said, can we have a call? I say, call like that. I gave her my WhatsApp number. She called me. She added me on WhatsApp because it's Fiverr. Fiverr don't allow you to share WhatsApp or contact or email. But we're going to show you how to do that for this course. Even this 12-week course, we're going to show you how to get your best deal, best client, and get your money in full. If you can get client from Fiverr and you receive your money in Upwork, you can get client from Upwork or LinkedIn or Instagram, and you receive your payment in Upwork, or you receive your payment through crypto. We are going to show you all this. This client now said, she now called me, she said, this is what I want to do. Now explain it in English because she can't type English too much. One funny aspect of it, I work with this client, we close the first deal. After then, we close the second deal. We close the third deal, which is the third website. Then the lady said, I will manage all these 3 websites and she will pay me $200 every week. I closed 4 websites, which I collect my money for. After then, she says she will pay me $200 every week. This girl started paying me through Western Union, not Fiverr or anymore, not one. She just tell me to send my Western Union details and she will pay me. I will go to bank, Access Bank, then I will collect the money in cash. Even some Access Bank people, they think I'm doing Yahoo because I always come to collect Western money every week, virtually every week, $200 every week. I might not touch anything on our websites. So I personally started assisting these clients to do so many other jobs, to do so many other little things. Now, I work with clients for so long. We try to involve in real estate. If you want to invest in real estate business, I was trying to show how to do real estate and this and that. Said no, we want to invest in Nigeria. Started sending money as a Nigerian. I'm not doing Yahoo, but she trusts me with that estate. She trusts me with all her cards, all her debit and credit cards. She trusts me with everything. So she started saying she will send me money and she go and find good property to buy so we can do business together. At that time, one Nigerian that want to fraud her, that introduced real estate to her, he want to fraud her with real estate. Know that she knows someone she is communicating in Nigeria. That one is, I think maybe he's the Yahoo guy. He blocked me. Even how did he block me? He recorded a voice note that Mr. Adedina Akima, because he asked for my name, he asked for the name of the guy that is helping her in Nigeria. He just used that to record a voice note and send it to her that is wanted by this day. Immediately she sent me that voice note that someone sent to her, I say, did someone record this and send it to you? Do you believe in it? She said, no, she don't believe in it. But she don't want to do anything with any Nigeria again. Even she don't want to do anything with that guy, and even me too, that she trusts. Don't want to trust Nigeria again. I say, okay, what of the money you sent to me for real estate investment that I'm using to do for property? Say, I just shoot that money, take it, go and use it to start any business, do it. I say, I'm not doing Yahoo, and people they are just asking me like I'm cutting a particular soap from one Babalawo or from one. No, it's not like that, because number one thing is integrity. Miss Abigail said that you need to be trustworthy, integrity, then follow instruction. I always do everything the way she wants it, irrespective of I know even. I always give my idea of that. Why can't we do this idea? But I will not force her to use my idea. So she put all her mind into me. If not that, the way I operate and the kind of person I am, even it's reached a particular time that even my wife don't want to believe me anymore. You know, for your wife don't want to believe you that this man, it seems you are doing Yahoo. All this Oyibo that is sending you money, she wants to send visa to you to come to US and leave us alone. You understand that essence? Now, this is not the story. I'm talking about when you have integrity, how you move with client with integrity, with consistent, understanding what they do and some other things. We are going to teach you a lot of that. Mr. Latif will do his whole part. I will do my own part. Miss Abigail will do her own part. And some other instructor that will be coming in some other days. But one thing happened. This girl that cannot type, she don't know about website. I'm the one managing everything. So she now pay me for any service now. She don't do any big business with me. But any service you want to do, she will contact me. I will do it. She will pay me. We'll go. She now go for like 1 year. I didn't see her. Even some of our websites, it's about to expire. So she made me that she's receiving email that some websites. I said I will renew it. After I renewed the website, finish. The guy now told me, I'm talking about last year now. The guy now around November, December, like the guy now told me she has built an application, a mobile app, and she wants me to connect her Stripe account with the mobile app because I know her Stripe account details. She cannot log into Stripe and set up her Stripe account details. Or extract her Stripe account details out. I'm the one that can log in for her. For you to know how worse she is when it comes to technology. She can't do anything online. And I say, someone that can't do anything online, how can this person build an app? I said, what are the features of your app? She told me the feature of her app. She built an app. She's a female. The feature of the app is that she built an Uber app, car booking app, that a female, it's only for a female. It's the driver that can take female that will register on that app. It's only a female that will order for that app. Now put different security features for female so that car cannot take them anywhere or they can have more security and more. Instead of female using general app like Uber and some other big app like that, they will be using our own app, and she has get a customer database. Even she has get an investor that wants to invest in the app, and she's the programmer that built the app. How can someone that cannot do anything online tell me she's a programmer that built an app? You know, it will be crazy. AI has gone over everything. And I say, okay, what do you want me to do? He says, you don't want me to do anything. The app is ready. What I need to do is that I should go and copy our Stripe account and put it in so that they can easily subscribe on the app and pay to our account. Those that want to do subscription to list their cars. I say, okay, that's what you want me to do. Okay, send me your app code, programming code. She says you don't have the code for the app. She says you have the code, but you don't want to send me the code. You just send me a link and log in to a particular AI. That AI costs $10 subscription, but you have 30 days free, premium version. With that AI, you can build any application. My dear, that is what my client used to build the app. Even the prompt that the client, that particular lady give the app, the prompt that she give the app, she used voice note to record the prompt. Build me an app for a female that has so feature, so. She explained everything to AI. And AI build that app from beginning to end. The only way the AI cannot do is to go to our Stripe account to copy the Stripe API, to link the payment gateway with the app. You will not say, wow. Did I see someone say, wow? Hello? Am I the only one here?
Wow.
Hello?
Wow.
So what I'm trying to say is that it's not about your speaking English. It's not about your reading English. It's not about your reading English. It's not about your speaking English. It's not about your level of education. It's about knowing the right AI tools to do the particular job you want to do. This lady built the app. The app has been launched now, and I'm telling you, and she has gotten $3 million worth of investment. Someone wants to invest in the app. $3 million built by a I can call her, yes, let me use that word. Built by a non-entity, someone that cannot log into a Stripe account and copy API key to integrate payments. Even talk less about programming code, talk less about learning how to code, talk less about learning how to even pitch, write a sales letter and says this. All what she's doing, she's used this AI. And when she showed me a ChatGPT dashboard, I say, no, this girl can do everything at any time. Because our English has improved to the extent. I now thought my client has gone for school for the past 1 year that we didn't know. I didn't know that all the messages she has been sending me, all the mail and everything, she's using ChatGPT. What she do is that she will use voice to record, tell ChatGPT the kind of message ChatGPT should draft, because she cannot type. She's US citizen, but she don't go to school. It's not every US citizen that can speak English. You will meet, don't worry, when you started meeting clients, you too will meet clients like that. A US client that cannot write English, can only speak English. They'll be telling you they want to meet you on Zoom, or in Zoom meeting every time. Because you must be someone that is why in that case you can invite someone if you know you are not good at, and you have kind like that. You say, hey, hello, I'm going to invite my assistant, my PA, my secretary to the event so that you can work together. You two know you cannot speak English. The guy cannot speak English. So you can invite someone like Miss Abigail. Miss Abigail, please, I will pay you 25% of what this client pay. You are going to be doing my assistant for in the next 1 hour to pitch with this client. So it's not matter of I didn't go to school. Although education is good, going to school is good, but it's not all of us that have the privilege. I told you yesterday, before I was able to go to school, read the little I read now, I worked years as a bus conductor in Lagos. Years before I will be able to raise a fund to start my school. NCE then, even I don't want to go to university, I don't want to go to Polytechnic, I don't want to go to Nigeria Certificate of Education. It's hard for me then. But see me today now. If I want to go to any school of my choice now, even international school, I will easily go at any period because I'm making money now. So AI, ChatGPT, as even if you cannot just learn how to do the prompting, like Mr. Adaptive Edge is teaching us, learn how to do the prompting, learn the right tools to use. There are different tools to do different jobs. Mr. Adaptive Edge will tell you all those AI tools. There are AI tools for video generation, there are AI tools for text, there are AI tools particularly for image. There are AI tools for automation, connecting different things together, customer reply, and so many other things. The 12-week course that Mr. Adaptive Edge is going to be taking us, and I'm going to be assisting him, this 12-week course is going to majorly focus on how to use each of these tools to achieve your aim in making money online. We are going to focus in making the first $100, then the first $200, then the first $1,000 in the next 3 months. Then our focus is not too much. Mr. Abigail said, let me go back to Miss Abigail. Miss Abigail said you are going to focus on making your first $3, your first client, your first $5 when you upscale, your $10, your $20, $50, $100, $200, then $1,000 before the next 3 months. And it's more easier. So let us don't focus on major thing. What we need to focus on is not your education, not your time. Even if you don't have time, you create little time, 1 hour per day, 2 hours per day. I said it alone already. And you will move smoothly, but learn how to do it. That is the essence of this 12-week course. I'll bring Mr. Latif back in so that I can recap and tell us a few things and tell us even the money-making strategy on this few things that I want to, and we end the call for today.
So I'm not a Yoruba guy, so I'm a Fulani guy. So my people are in the
Sorry. Mr. Latif is a Fulani guy. Even he either be doing two things. I'm not telling you story. He either be doing. I told you I was once a conductor. He was once a shoe cobbler, because he ran away from chasing cow instead of him chasing cow. So he's there, he wants to go and learn handwork, and the available work is shoemaking. So if he didn't leave shoemaking and if he didn't expose to internet, he will still be in shoemaking up to now. He will tell you more about his story and recap this course. The reason why, that's the purpose why I brought him. So that any of these students here will not be giving me excuse. If Mr. Latif can make it online, who are you that cannot make it online?
You can see I'm just a Fulani guy that doesn't know how to speak a lot of English. So my people are in the bush right now that they are chasing cow up and down. So this internet really help a lot. Let me just show you the project I just completed today. That doesn't take me a minute. You can see it on my screen. You can see my screen right now. Can you see it? So can you see it?
Okay, try to show you.
You can see the project I just completed today. So with this AI, it can help you a lot. I have already told you before. So that's the reason why I love working with US and other outside clients like that. So what work can you do in Nigeria? Let's just be honest with each other. What work can you do in Nigeria in just a minute and you make $500,000 and make 500,000 naira? Rather, I make $500,000. So let's make it an interactive. What work can you do in just a minute and you make 500,000 naira? Except you are a politician or you know how to manipulate something. So without manipulating or anything, and you make 500,000 naira in just a minute as a freelancer. So what job can you do? Please, let's make it an interactive. You can unmute yourself. Are you with me?
It's only a politician that can make that kind of money.
Or people that used to manipulate, right? So
yeah.
So you can see this help a lot. So in this 12-week course, I will just give you a little hint about how to create a freelancing platform account and get approved, because this need more understanding.
Hello. Another thing Mr. Latif is going to show us. One thing is to create a Fiverr or Upwork account. Let me say Fiverr account. Another thing is they accept you as a Nigerian. That's another challenges we are facing now. Because a lot of Nigerians on Fiverr now, selling rubbish, doing scam. Yes, I will talk more on that later. Mr. Latif, the reason why I introduced Mr. Adaptive Ed to this course, another reason is he will show you how to set up a Fiverr account and it will get approved. Even when others will be setting it without knowledge and they will not be approved. Even not only Nigeria account, different country account. To be sincere with you, I have been using one Fiverr account since 2014. But I can tell you, Mr. Latif will tell you by himself. I know already like we have more than 20 Fiverr accounts. And he's using them interactively. Okay, Mr. Latif, over to you.
So I have already explained to you in details before that I don't have one account, as my boss already told you. So as a Nigerian guy, so you don't need to have one account. If you are using one account to make money and it reduces, you understand that this concept is like a chart, like go up, down, like that. So if one account go down, another one will pick up from where the one gave down, and the other will start making money as well. So that's just it. I will teach you in that 12-week course. I will teach you how to create a Fiverr account and you will get approved. It's not about you know how to do, you understand English. No. It's not about that. Fiverr doesn't work that way. You can create an account and they will tell you, we can't approve your seller profile. No, I will teach you how to create it and get approved. So, and use AI to write the gig description, gig profile, or using AI entirely to create the accounts. And the account will get approved and you start making your first dollar online, like maybe $10, $5. So I will give you a gig niche, like you can start as a beginner, so you can use it to make money. So I will just explain that. If you have some question, you can write it down or come to my DM and I will explain to you more in details. So with this, any question, you can ask me a question.
If you have a question, you can unmute your mic and ask Mr. Latif any question. I'm going to stop the recording now.